guys, welcome back to XXLove. Sorry, you couldn't enter my face. And today we are going to be doing something awesome. We are going to be talking about my dog named Chase. He's a miniature Schnauzer. He is really cute. My sister's playing with him. He's a boy. He is a boy. He's cute. And he has toys. So the thing about him is when we got him, we apparently, he was supposed to have long legs. He has short legs and he sticks his tongue out. And he has some toys. He has a red ball with like spikes, like a red, white toy. A ball, a tennis ball, and like the stuff to bite on. He has a bone. What's it called? He has a bone that it's like when you bite it, well, if you squish it too, it won't make weird scrunchy sounds. I don't know why it's weird. Okay, so he's cute. This is how he lives in the floor. He knows some tricks only. That's him. He has a room. One room right here. One here. This is where he sleeps. He sometimes moves his bed, flips it, and goes under the bed. I've seen him once where you can't even see his whole body. You just don't see anything. You just see a lump under his bed. That's where it is. Right there. So that's all about my dog. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Bye.